Okay, when you're using the additive property for integers to solve equations, they're going to tell you what variable to solve for. So I'm solving for u. I usually circle that to start out so I can see what I'm doing. Now, everything that's on that side of the equal sign is what you're interested in. So the other side of the equal sign, we're not interested in that right this minute. Your goal is to get u by itself. So you have to get rid of everything that's with it. So positive 6 is what we have. The opposite of positive 6 is negative 6. So I'm going to put a negative 6, which is the same as subtracting 6, on both sides. Now, for this one, we have a negative 5 and then another negative 6. So that's a total of 11 negatives equals opposites cancel u. So the variable, the letter, doesn't always have to be first. It can be at the end. Okay, on the next one, the w. So you want to get rid of everything that's on the same side of the equation with that. So we want to get rid of a negative 5 or subtracting 5. Well, the opposite of subtracting 5 is adding 5. So I'm going to add 5 to each side. Bring down the w. Opposites cancel. Bring down the equal. Okay, here's the rule. If the signs are the same, you find the sum, you add them. I remember this because they all start with the letter S. So sign, same, sum. Sum means add. If the signs are different, you find the difference. You subtract them. You keep the sign of the larger number. Okay, so we have a negative and a positive. Those signs are different. So we have to find the difference. We have to subtract these two numbers, but you want to always put the largest one first. So I'm going to do 5 minus 2 equals 3. Now, you look at which one number is bigger, the 5. It has a positive in front of it. That means your answer is going to be positive. So 3 is the answer to this problem. Okay, the next one we are solving for y. So remember, we want to get rid of everything that's on the same side as that. So we want to get rid of subtracting 7. So the opposite of subtracting 7 is adding 7. So I have to add 7 on each side. On this one, the signs are different, so I'm going to find the difference. I'm going to subtract. So 8 take away 7 is 1. The 8 is larger, it's negative, that means you're going to have a negative 1. Bring down the equal, bring down the y, opposites cancel, and now y is by itself. So the answer is negative 1.